Hey squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Unsnap right here, and basically what these are some case that's used for your laptop device. So for the ones that I got right here, it's supposed to fit my MacBook Pro 16-inch. So I got two different designs right here. Let me actually open both of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So as always, for the Casetify brand, they actually have a very nice kind of like design for the opening, etc. But once you guys do open up, here's basically what the first one looks like. So they do probably got a little envelope. If you guys do open the envelope, inside they do provide guys some wet wipes that you can use to wipe down the product. And right underneath that, we do have the actual product. If you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. If you can see, it comes with this very nice little bag with the brand logo on it. But when you guys do take it out, here is basically what the first one looks like. If you can see, for the one that I got right here is like a space galaxy design that's very basic and very minimal. And then here is basically what the other side looks like. So if you guys notice, for the bottom part right here, they do have a bunch of these holes, so that way it's breathable for the laptop when you guys do use it. And then for the other side, they do have like this non-slip material, so that way when you guys do put it on the table, it won't move around. So all you need to do is just clip this on to the actual laptop. But before we actually do that, let me show you guys what the other one looks like as well. Alright, so if you guys open the other one, here's basically what the other one looks like. So they also probably got a little envelope with the wet wipes inside. When we guys do take it out, inside they also probably got a little bag right here to hold the case. And when you guys take out this one, here's basically what the other one looks like. So this one is basically like a slimmer design in terms of the way how they designed the case. But in terms of the design right here, it's like a quirky design. So when you guys put it side by side, here's basically what the difference looks like. But for the bottom part, it's basically the same thing. They do have the breathable option in the bottom, and they do have like the non-slip material. I believe the material that they use on here is also recycled material as well. But here is basically what the product sounds like. Now I'm just put it on to show you guys what the case looks like on your laptop. So if you guys want to, you do have the option to use a wet wipe to wipe down your laptop before you guys apply it on. But the way how you guys install the actual case is actually pretty easy. It's like a snap-on design, so just like this. All you guys want to do is just push it in until it snaps in on all four corners. And then once you guys put it on, here is basically what the top part looks like. Now let's put on the bottom part. So same thing for the bottom part, it's just like a snap-on design. You just want to push it on. Once you guys put it on, you want to snap it in the back. And it's all set. So here is basically what the bottom part looks like. And here is the other side. And then here is the side. And when you guys do open up, here is basically what the product looks like from the front and the back. If you can see, the product definitely looks pretty cool once you guys do put it on. And this way provide you guys the protection when you guys do put it on. So here is basically what the corgi one looks like. Let me actually put in the other one to show you guys what that looks like as well. So the way how you guys take it out is actually really simple. You guys want to unsnap it in all four corners. Same thing for the bottom part. Alright, so we got it off. Now let's check out the bottom part. So for the bottom part, they actually snap in on both the top part and also for the bottom part right here. So if you guys do take it out, that is basically how you guys take it out. Very easy and very simple. But now let's put on the other one as well. So all you're gonna do is just push it in. Same thing like the other one. And then here is basically what the top part looks like. And then for the bottom part, same thing applies. You just want to push it in for both the top part and bottom part. Make sure it snaps in. Once you guys put it on, if you guys open up, here is basically what the product looks like. So if you can see, this one actually looks pretty cool as well. It does have that like space galaxy kind of design or look to it, which looks pretty nice. And I do love the feeling of the actual case as well when you guys do feel it. It does feel really soft and very smooth. And they do have this available in bigger or smaller size laptop as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which you prefer. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that should work or not. So just like how I always say in all my videos, when you guys do purchase any kind of new devices, whether it's like iPhone or laptop or anything else, I do recommend that you guys do purchase a case for extra protection. So I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.